Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC and network because bandwidth and drivers determine experience. Install the Virtual Desktop Streamer app, sign in with your headset account, and allow firewall access. Once done, update GPU drivers to the latest WHQL build so decoding is stable. Make sure your headset and PC share the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi, or, better, use wired Ethernet to reduce latency. This first step prevents stutter and dropped frames and gets you ready for pairing. You now pair the headset and fine-tune streaming because defaults may be conservative. Open Virtual Desktop on the headset, choose your PC, or manually enter its IP. The streamer app will confirm the connection. Next, raise bitrate gradually. Try 30 to 80 Mbps, so you balance visual fidelity against your network capacity. Adjust encoder and refresh rate to 60 or 90 Hz, depending on headset and GPU. Make sure controller bindings are set so input mapping feels natural when you launch apps. You're at the finish line. Launch your VR apps through Virtual Desktop or via Steam VR from inside the stream for lowest latency. Once running, watch for judder. If you see it, reduce resolution or bitrate first, then enable asynchronous reprojection or motion smoothing. If connectivity fails, restart the streamer on the PC and reconnect the headset. Verify firewall rules and disable VPNs. A key tip: switch to a wired PC connection if wireless instability continues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.